In this video, you'll learn how to fit a set of full-height shutters. They are being fitted inside the recess to the window frame. Place two 5mm packers on the windowsill and lift the frame into place. You can adjust the frame left, right and up or down within the shadow gap. The aim is to create a neat equal shadow gap while ensuring the frame is still square enough for the shutters to fit. Use the wedges to create a shadow gap. This can be done by eye or by using the same size wedges each side. Before lifting the shutter panels into place, ensure the roller catchers are equal and not protruding too far. They are adjusted using a flathead screwdriver. At this point, lift the shutters into the frame temporarily to check it's square and that the shutter panels line up. You don't always need the hinge pins, but it's just a quick visual check. Make any adjustments to the wedges and when you're happy, remove the shutters. Using the correct screw length, depending on the number of extensions, fix the shutter frame back to the window. If you have bifolding shutters, connect the bifolds together first. Then lift the left set of shutters into place within the frame and insert the hinge pins. The label indicates the top of the panel and if it's left or right. Do the same for the right-hand set. You can now remove the wedges from around the frame. Make any adjustments to the roller catchers to help alignment or to tighten or loosen the closure. The final step is to insert the white cover caps to cover the screw holes. These just push into place. That's how simple it is to install a set of shutters. These are full-height shutters with 89mm louvers divided by a middle rail opening left and right. If you found our video helpful, please share our website with your friends or send us some comments or feedback.